Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a sneaker or shoe designer luxury haul. And if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, then DM me if you guys have any questions or concerns. I'm really happy and satisfied with everything that I had got, and with one of the main items that I want to show you guys. I think I'm gonna show that last, and it's going to be a bag. And if you want to see which bag that I had got, then stay tuned towards the end of this video. With that being said, let's get started with this designer luxury shoe and sneaker haul. First, I'm gonna show you guys these, and I had got some sandals. They're not just any sandals because I did get these Gucci platform ones. I had also got ones that are like this but with a different print and a different color on this top part right here. It's like a red. I did an unboxing video about it, but I got the wrong size, and I seen these ones, and these ones have been very popular. I am going to be trying everything on so I can be a size reference for you guys, because I know with sizing it can be a little bit confusing, but I'm gonna let you guys know now. I am a size 39, which is a US 8, but this is how the platform sandal looks. I'm definitely not used to wearing platforms, so I'm really excited to wear these ones. I wasn't really able to wear the other ones since they were too big on me. I like the sizing on this right here. It's gonna have my foot more attached to the platform. These are too cute, but these are how they look with both of them together. These have a lot of grip on them. I'm gonna try to wear these as soon as possible, especially before winter comes. But if not, I'm definitely gonna wear these a lot during next spring and summer. And what I like about these two is that it's not just only a platform. It has like this extra little platform right here. So it's not like a flat platform, if that makes any sense. It has that little oomph right here. Next, I have these 𝐿 sandals, and I've been eyeing these for a long time, but honestly I wasn't even sure if I was gonna like them because I don't usually get these type of sandals. They do come with their own little dust bag, but these are how they look, and I swear everybody has these, like literally everyone, but I finally just, you know, decided to get them. These are more on the comfort side instead of just like, oh, I'm just only gonna wear these for like dress up occasions. So I think I would wear these more often. For example, with the Gucci platforms, I wouldn't wear them all the time. Like their casual slide sandals, I would mainly go for these because these don't really have a platform, or like they just don't have a platform at all. And with the shape of them inside, they like curve my foot. So these are perfect if you have a curve on your foot and you're not like really flat-footed, but if you are, I think you'll still be able to wear these. And I did get these in a size 39, and they fit just right. So I'm not sure if they're supposed to fit just right if they're a size 39, or if I was supposed to go a size up, but either way they still fit me perfectly. These are how they look up close. And I was thinking of wearing baggy jeans with this because I know this part wouldn't show. It'll be mainly this part showing, and I don't always have to go for my other Gucci slides. Those are also cool everyday dress up or dress down type of slides, and these are too. It has the logo name right here and the buckles. Let me just show you guys how both of them look side to side. Really nice casual dress up, dress down. When I insert a clip of me wearing these, you guys are gonna see that it fits perfectly around my foot right here, and it fits perfectly in the back part right here. These really like shape your foot, so I know like you're gonna be able to walk in these a lot. These next shoes are obviously not designer. I decided to get some Nikes because I've been seeing these all over Instagram, especially when people are modeling with them and just pairing them with different outfits. I'm like, okay, I need to get these. Like, I really have to get these. These are my first pair. Well, No, I think I had them when I was younger, like when I was like 10 or something like that. I think I had something like this. I don't have any gray or white sneakers. They're mainly either all white or black and white or some with color, but I needed some gray and white because those colors go together and they're good basic colors to wear with anything. So yeah, I'm really glad that I got these. Comes with extra lace or just a different color lace, which is white. And then this is how the tongue looks on it. Just says Nike. Then on the back it just says Nike. And this style on the back is different too, because I know with my Air Jordan 1s, the high top ones, they don't have this design right here, like with the lines. And I did get these in a size 8 in women's. Yeah, I definitely like this type of gray. It's not too dark and it's not too light, and nor is looking like a bluish gray, because I noticed with certain grays they be having like a tint of light blue in them, but these look like a pure gray and white sneaker. I don't think I'll switch the laces up because I do not want to deal with the hassle of cleaning the laces, especially if they're white. They're more prone to getting like dirty quicker. I'm just gonna leave them with the gray lace. And lastly, like I said at the beginning of the video, I did get a purse, and I'm so happy to be showing you guys this purse because I've been wanting it, not for myself, but for my mother, because she's been eyeing this purse and she's seen the small one that I had and she wanted the bigger version, and it matches her aesthetic. And her birthday was not too long ago, last month, so I was like, okay, I got you. Of course I have to get my mother straight. So I had got another LV bag, and this is the dust bag for it. I had just got the bigger version of my LV monogram Empreinte Tote Bag. I'll leave the name on the screen. I just went a size up. This is the MM size, and I have the other size in a size PM. What's different about this one is that it's yellow on the inside, while the PM is all black everywhere, inside and out, with gold hardware. It's the same thing, but just yellow on the inside. And I am going to be modeling this one for you guys too, because you guys are probably curious about how this size will look on me. It is pretty big. Like, I can't imagine what the GM size looks like, if they have a GM. Do they have a GM? I think they have a GM. And I think this is the perfect size for my mom because she loves carrying big bags. Like, she's not a small bag girl. I kind of am at this point, like a medium small, not too small. Has to be this size, between a small, not too small. Depending what look I'm going for, it does come with 2 pockets, while the other one comes with 1. And I'm trying to remember, does it come with a zipper with the PM? I did an unboxing for it, so I'll link that down below for you guys. And I did a what's in my bag with that bag, but this is a really nice, perfect bag. It has the smaller LV print on the sides of this tote bag, then it has the bigger print on the other sides, like that. Also comes with shoulder straps, and not the whole time you're gonna want to hold this bag just like this, and you can't even put it like higher. So yeah, having these attached on here will help a lot. And in the pockets where it has a zipper, I can fit my whole hand inside, and there's like a ton of space inside. And this one also has like a little clasp right here, so you can semi close it. It's not really closed, but I guess it's just for the looks. I'm so happy to be giving this to her. She's going to be loving this, and hopefully she wears it ASAP because I really want to see her wear this. that is all that I have to show you guys in my luxury designer sneaker, sandal, shoe haul, plus with the new 𝐿V all black monogram tote bag. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you guys want to see more videos like this, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Right now we are at 43,061 subscribers. So if you guys love watching beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, Christian, Jesus, no drama, all of that nice and girly stuff, then you guys will love it here. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.